welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will say phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. CR. Scroll down and click on camera. After click on camera, if you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. After force stop camera, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Click on CR. Click on apps. And click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system update. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see after the process your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.